Hello everyone, welcome back to Karani Automobiles, and this week I'm going to provide you with I'm going to introduce you to premium vehicles or premium stuff. So for instance, in front of us is a 2016 Mercedes GLE 350d. 350d, that is 3.5 liter diesel, that is V6. And this is how it looks like from the back. Views upon views. So today we're going to start from the back. So let us pop the trunk first. So when you do that, the trunk comes up. Then this is the boot space. A lot of space. This is why it's called a coupe, because kona hiyo ninaenda hivyo. Legit boot space. And then to close the boot, just press like that, and that comes down. So let us hop on the back, and then you get to see the legroom and some of other features that this vehicle comes with. So when we hop back here, tunapatana na all black. This is leather, yes, leather seats. And then when you hop in here, unapatana na AC at the back, and you can control your AC hapa hivi, and also heated seats at the back. And then if you're traveling back here, kama muhesh, your cup holders hapa hivi, natembea ukijivinjari, some lightings hapo ndani. So let us go at the front, tuingie cockpit, and we get to see some of the other features that this vehicle comes with. So before we even get inside, this is the view from outside. Remember, it's a 3.5 liter V6 diesel. So when you get in here, this is how you control your seats from, and you know, the view and all that. Then also you can pop the trunk from here, and then this is the seats, bucket seats, this side and the other side. So let us hop inside and get to explore more about these vehicles. So for starters, it comes with a multifunctional steering wheel with a lot of functions, and also comes with paddle shifters for you to change gears how you want. And then this is the infotainment system. Then this is where you navigate, radio nini. There's the heated seats, there's the parking sensors. That is a 360, it has a 360 view, cameras across the vehicle. This is the traction control, lane keeping assist. Also comes with ABS, comes with you know, lane keeping assist and all that. It also comes with modes such as individual mode. It comes with sports mode, that is if you want to drive it fast and feel the rotor response. It also comes with comfort mode. It also comes with snow mode. Snow mode hii ukipeleka watu wangu wa Nyahururu, snow mode hii imetengenezwa juu yenu. Kiingia uko na Nyahururu, kwa snow unaweka snow mode, unajibamba. And imagine this vehicle is only going for 10.5 million Kenyan shillings only. Remember, we accept trade-ins. We also do accept you know, bank financing. So hit me up, Makolawe. They're going to get this vehicle. Peace. See you in the next video.